Hi everyone, this is Dale again, and we're continuing with our series on using Google Apps for education and Blackboard and making them BFFs. Video has been a tremendous part of education here, and YouTube is a great resource for that. And so I want to show you how to take a video from YouTube and put in your Blackboard site so that your students don't have to go to YouTube, that they can watch whatever you want them to see right from the safety of your Blackboard site. Okay, so let's go to a video here, and I'm going to click on my name here and grab my channel, and we'll see what happens is pops up there to the videos that I have uploaded to YouTube for us to take a look at. Let's see here. You can see I have a lot of viewers on these. One view. It's a good thing I'm watching my own videos. Anyway, I'm going to click on using Google Sites in Blackboard here. I just uploaded that a couple hours ago. And here's what I'm going to do. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this because I don't want to record a video and watch a video at the same time. So once it gets going, there I am. We'll click pause. All right, so here's what we want to do. You could copy the URL and have the kids create a link to the URL and go that way. Perfectly acceptable, but I think an easier way is just to embed this. So if we click share and then we click embed, comes up that code that I always talk about that I don't know about, but I know that I can copy and paste. So I'm going to right click here and oh, there we go, and I'm going to copy it. Now I'm done at YouTube. I'm going to go over to Blackboard in our Blackboard site as it pops up here. And I haven't been here for a little bit, so maybe it'll take a little bit. There we go. And I'm going to go over here to our Google Examples link on the left here. See, it's taking a little bit of line here. Maybe I should close a few things that I have open. And what we're going to do here is very much this examples is we're going to create an item. And when we create that item, we're going to be able to use that HTML code much like we did with the example here, which is the preview, the Google document preview. Okay, so here we go. If we hover over the build content, much like many of these things, what we want to do is create an item. We create that item and move to the next web page. We put in our title. I've had lots of different titles like test, which is an easy one to put in there. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to click on this less than greater than signal, this HTML source code toggle. Now if you want to paste this in, you can paste in. Remember, I get rid of this and I paste in my code. If I wanted to type something, I could click this toggle again, and what you'll see is miraculously what shows up is your video. There it is. And if I put my cursor here and I hit enter, I can put some text at the bottom here, or directions. But make sure you're not in the HTML. Make sure you're in the regular source. You can attach a file. Again, the visibility options. I click submit. And if you've watched any of the other videos in my Best Friend Forever series, you'll see that because we're in Google Chrome, if I were to scroll down here to the bottom, there'll be no video here. So we refresh. And after we refresh, we go back to our Google Examples link on the left here. And when we go down to the bottom, what you'll see is a YouTube video. Right there, and you can play it right within here. You can have kids. Now if that's small, too small for you, what you can do is, and this is a matter of you kind of playing around. If you go to this HTML toggle, the size is right here. Okay, width 420, height 315. Again, to make this width number larger and the height number larger, you can experiment and go back and forth and take a look at how big you would want it to be. But it's a great resource to have for students to be able to watch videos. All right, thank you everyone. If you have any questions, let me know. But have a nice night.